How to add Instagram previews to Slack. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for Zapier.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to tap on this Create option and then simply tap on this Zaps option. After that, you will now see this option trigger. What we need to do is to tap on this one, and then in here, we'll have to search for Instagram. Once we're done with that, we'll have to go on this action option, and then in here, we'll have to select Slack. After that, we'll have to go on the right part of the screen and then follow the instructions here. In here, we'll have to add an action event. So as an example, I'm gonna select Add Reminder. After that, we'll have to tap on Continue, and then in here, we'll have to type our reminder. So as an example, I'm going to type here upload photos once a day, and then I'm gonna remind myself every 8 a.m. Once I'm done with that, I'll have to tap on this Continue option. In here, we'll have to tap on this Test option, and then after that, once we're done, you will now see this option Publish. All you need to do is to tap on this one to completely add Instagram previews to Slack. So that's how easy we can add Instagram previews to Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.